my party. We're just getting started.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Trey. This is Pat, and today we're doing some extreme 4x4.
Extreme!
We're gonna hit some big old hills.
Extreme!
Dude, you know how the Migos do it?
I walk around with my chain loose, chain.
I don't go with that much.
Do that without me in it.
You can't be a bitch all your life.
Tell the bitch I really like a friend. So trying to fly it.
What I do.
Bad bitch with no miles on them. Daddy bought a brand new bag, James Brown on them. Control.
He's doing what I do, but I do it backwards. I run this ridge line 4 miles at a time. Trees. Why are you filming me like that?
I don't know, like this?
Yeah, I need landscape more, not portrait.
That's true.
Come on, we're YouTubers. On people's faces.
Oh no! You ruined it!
Rule number 1. Don't forget your beer.
Ride it.
All right, down here at Wildcat, they got this little cave you can walk back into. Since Pat's never been here, we're gonna walk back in this cave.
I'll go check her out.
Hell yeah, brother.
No, you can go.
Yeah, go as far back as you want.
Look, hold on. Let me show you a way.
That's out.
Put my walkie-talkie back. Look, this way. This, yeah, this, go this way. That's how. Hold on, let me get my.
It's so weird driving this because, like, you gotta put your foot in the go, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it doesn't just crawl.
Yeah, it doesn't move. It's weird to me.
Yeah.
I drove Jimmy's brand new. I'm like,
All right, so we got Patrick coming up the trail. First timer.
I'm wet.
Pat, what the f? You had one try.
One try.
What?
Get the wings.
Hold on, I need a picture.
We need a picture of that. I got tired.
Lay down for now.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
Good?
Yeah, keep coming. There you go. All right. All right, so this is the hill Pat just hit. Good little hill. Sean's gonna hit it in his Honda. Eddie already went up it, so. Hey Pat, how you feel right now?
I don't know what happened.
You got this?
No.
21. Can you do something for me? 21. I know. I don't know why they're turning around.
To the Rebel Trail and go up.
Yeah. Yeah. Got Sean up here. Johnny and the Players Ranger. Old Johnny from Johnny Mousewoods. Alright, if you don't know this spot, this is the spot that I got dragged up on with the Can-Am.
I was just trying to avoid a felony. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to get away from getting hit by the CSX train because look, they'll confiscate your shit, alright, and it's a felony, and it's 30 days in jail. And here's the thing, I ain't doing 30 days in jail by side-by-side riding, dude. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. So when the lights are blue or lights are red, that means stop, alright? We gotta take a minute and regroup, alright? If it's blue, it's game time. One of those trees up there are trying to hit. Let's strap right here, Sean. Huh? Okay, tight there.
Yeah, we need to.
We gotta come this way.
We need to pull them this way. And they're, hey, on the front, the right side of it, the right hand side of it over here, there should be a little. There we go. Run into him.
Well, I'm in a fucking Ranger, so I should. You got somebody that truly admits he's like. Hey, you got any drink anyway? Is that all you got?
I got a chain in the back. There you go.
That should be about it. Maybe you know him. Well, hey, he didn't get the videotape last time, and he got pissed off. So I wanted to get his other fucking video. There you go. My phone's go pull her in a little bit. You got my phone on. Right, pull her in a little bit.
We're waiting. He's got to find the button.
Oh, okay.
Damn. You found the headlights.
Right here.
I don't know what the problem is. I came right up it.
It's like, not really. Is there something left? I tapped the gas right there, so. Hey, somebody plugged a hole in this. Hey, somebody hit the fucking winch pocket. Let's tighten this thing up. Got some happy gas.
Nice.
We're gonna fucking plug the hole in this and fucking snort that shit.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I think I busted a nut in the process. Woo! Hey, give me just a little bit of slack. There it is. There we go. Here you go. Ooh-wee. Here's some laughing gas. Is this yours or somebody else? Hey, that was bigger than what I thought it was. Whose is this? What? What are you doing?
Hey, Pat.
What?
Will you put that in the back of the Honda?
Yeah, the one that made it up, yeah.
Yeah.
The one that made it up. I'm gonna fucking break my fucking neck. Lights on face. God damn it, Grandma.
What do you think the problem was? God damn, dude. You're about hold on to him.
I got a finger on it.
There you go. There you go. All right, all right. Hit it hard. Hit it hard.